Hi everybody, and welcome to the installation tutorial of Multispread Intraday, the fully integrated system for MetaTrader 4 and 5 to get started with spread trading. The instruments have been designed and created by Pip Trend Academy, a team of professional traders always ready to help you to succeed in the forex market. You can visit piptrendacademy.com to get your copy of the Multispread Intraday in the eShop section, and to enjoy all the other amazing contents and features. So let's begin with the first step. After acquiring the system, you'll receive 3 files, 2 .ex4 files and a .tpl file. You'll save them on your computer, and then you'll open the MetaTrader where you want to install them. Then you go to File and open the Data folder. Now let's copy the files you received where they belong. Let's start with Multispread V2 Alert. We open MQL4, Indicators, and we copy and paste it here. Then we refresh. We go back to MQL4, we go to Experts, and here we copy and paste Spread Trade Manager EA. Copy, paste, and refresh. And finally, we go back to the terminal. We open Templates, and here we copy the .tpl file. We paste it, and again refresh. We can close this down. After having restarted the platform, you open a new chart and set the line graph. At this point, you right-click, go to Template, and here you will find Multispread. You left-click, and this is our Multispread template. Now the system is installed and fully operational. In the next videos, we're going to take a look at the indicator and the expert advisor. That's all for this tutorial. See you at the next one, and good trading from the team of Pip Trend Academy.